We stopped writing on stone tablets 5,000 years ago, but the documents you create today are just about as dumb as those old chiseled bricks. The Form tool lets you add real intelligence to your forms, automating them to eliminate errors, increase productivity, lower costs, leverage expertise, and reduce the time spent processing paperwork by up to 90%. And here's the kicker. It's easy. No coding or programming skills required. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how. You'll never turn back. Begin by opening up a form or document you've used in the past. We'll turn this into an intelligent document in just 2 steps. The 2 steps are the Table button and the Field button. First, I click Table to add a questionnaire to the bottom of the form. In this case, the questions I want to ask are the seller's name, buyer's name, purchase price, and so on. And I do that by typing a label and a question. And I'll do the same for buyer, and so forth. After I've finished asking questions, step 2 is to use the Field button. Here, I would like the name of the seller to appear. So I click Field, choose Seller, Insert Field, and I have a field for the seller. And I'll do the same for buyer here. Field, buyer, insert field, and I'm done. Here's what the form looks like when I'm finished. All the fields created, no coding required. Now from the point of view of the form user, I'll show you the 2 steps to fill in a form. First, I click Start to move to the questionnaire. I fill in answers to the questions. Here I'll type John Doe, Jane Smith, fill in a purchase price and a date. And step 2 is to click the Fill button. All of the information from the questionnaire is moved up into the form where it belongs as dictated by the form author. Notice also that the form author has altered the format of some of these fields. Here the price is spelled out in words, and here that same price is spelled out in numbers. Same thing with the date. One format here, another format here. That was all done using the free version of the Form tool. Download it now. It's yours to keep. Thousands of our customers find that the free version is all they need to achieve massive improvements in speed, accuracy, and even peace of mind. But for those who want absolutely every possible advantage, we offer the Form Tool Pro. The Form Tool Pro is the fastest growing, most user-friendly and powerful document assembly and forms automation software in the world. And just like the free version, you don't need a degree in computer science to make it work. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 advanced features that just might make the Form Tool Pro indispensable in your office. The first advanced feature we'll cover is lists. Here I have a minutes of annual meeting form, which includes 2 lists. A list of shareholders here, and a list of signatures here. As the form user, I just have to type a list of names once in the questionnaire, and when I click the Fill button, both lists are populated in 2 different formats. There's one, and there's the other. This could be a list of anything at all, employees, products, whatever sorts of things you need to itemize in your own forms. A second advanced feature is math. Here I have a form that's going to calculate loan payments for me. The form user types in an amount of loan, interest rate, and number of years, and when they click the Fill button, several calculations are performed, including a monthly payment figure here. You can use math to calculate anything you like, product pricing or discounts, invoices and sales tax, whatever's needed in your office. Our third feature is master lists. I can create a master list of salespeople in my office, product names, or any information that's used across multiple forms. In this example, I've created a master list of attorneys in a law office. When I fill in the form, I choose the attorneys who will be signing this particular document. I'll choose Barry and Gretel. And when I click the Fill button to fill in the form, notice that it not only pulled in Barry and Gretel's names, but also their bar numbers and their email addresses. That's all information that I've squirreled away in the master list, so it's available to all the forms on my system. As an added bonus, notice in this form the handling of pronouns and verb forms. Here, I have Jane Doe is a female, so the proper pronoun has been selected, and the proper verb form has been selected, singular instead of plural. That's another example of a feature that's available in the TheFormTool Pro. Next, we have conditions. Conditions are the real brains of the operation here. I have a form which is going to respond intelligently to my answers in the Q&A table. When I fill in a signer, a spouse, and 2 children, and then click the Fill button, I end up with this result. My name is Jerry, my wife's name is Nanette, I have 2 children. But if I have no children involved, I'll remove these 2 names. Now when I click the Fill button, my name is Jerry, my wife's name is Nanette, I have no children. And if I remove the spouse's name as well, the form adapts to my information seamlessly. My name is Jerry, I am not married, I have no children. You can build as many conditions as you like into forms so that the entire landscape of the document changes just depending on a little bit of information in the Q&A table. Conditions can be nested, they can be as complex or as simple as you like. And the text that's changing in the document could be as small as a word, a sentence, a paragraph, or it could be full pages that are based on conditions. And I've saved the best for last. One of the most powerful features of the TheFormTool is the ability to save answers that you type in once and reuse them in other forms. Here I have a document I need to create for a particular client, and I've been doing business with this client for a while now, so I have previously saved answers from previous forms. Now, when it's time to generate this document, instead of typing in all of these answers from scratch, I will just click my Save Load button, choose the file that I saved previously, and load all of those answers into this new form. Any answers that I have not answered previously, I can answer right now, and then click Fill to finish my document. I've got an entire finished document, letter perfect, in just a few seconds. You'll find lots more information on the website. You'll benefit from using the TheFormTool. We guarantee it. I'm Scott Campbell, the creator of the TheFormTool. Thanks for watching.